Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video and starting this three-part series. This is the beginner's guide to Forex trading. I'm going to teach you the basics of Forex trading, everything from what is Forex trading, why you should trade Forex, and how to trade Forex. So this is part one of a three-part series that will cover all the basics of Forex trading. It's absolutely for free. You could be watching on YouTube. If you're not, then feel free to go to my YouTube channel, which is Love the Pips, or you can type in Samuel Morton Forex and you'll be able to find me that way too. Or you could be watching on my website, which is love-the-pips.com. If you're not watching on my website, then I think that's the best option, as there'll be some text to go along with the video, and I just think it's a much better experience on my website. You can find this series by going to Free Stuff, the Free Stuff page, and clicking on videos. So a big welcome to you all. If you're new to my videos, my name is Samuel Morton. I'm a professional Forex trader and I'm the real deal. I am a Forex trader that trades from home. I've been trading since 2011. And I have verified results. You can find my results online. They're verified by a third party. I'm also a technical analyst for a Forex broker, and I do lots of other things, such as Love the Pips, which I've been operating since 2014, around about 2014, 2015. But I'm a real trader. You know, this is what I do for a living. I'm one of the very few Forex educators that actually trades. And I'm one of the very few Forex educators that actually provides verified results. You would think that would be a prerequisite or a must for a Forex educator to actually have some sort of historic trading performance, but it's not. I am one of the very few that have that. I've been featured on IGTV, I've been featured on Forex Factory, Technical Forex, Investor Web, Triumph FX, Drink Forex, and the list goes on and on. Depending on when you're watching this series, the list might be even longer. I might have been featured on other TV shows, on other websites. So what is Forex? Let's just dive right in. So Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange being the foreign exchange market, the market where currencies are traded. So if you think of the stock market, where stocks and shares are bought and sold, the Forex market is the market where currencies are bought and sold. So a stock trader will go to a stock market and he might buy a load of Apple shares and he's looking to make a profit on that investment. He'll buy Apple shares and hopefully sell for a better price. And a Forex trader does just that, but instead of stocks and shares, he or she is trading currencies. So a trader may buy a load of euros or Australian dollars or US dollars, Canadian dollars, Japanese yen, the list goes on, and he or she is looking to sell at a better price and to make a profit. And that's a Forex trader, very similar to a stock trader. So a Forex trader trades currencies on the foreign exchange market. And that's what I do day in, day out, 5 days a week. From home, I buy and sell currencies and I make money doing that. So when is Forex traded? I just mentioned that I trade Monday to Friday, 5 days from home. So the Forex market is open 24 hours a day and is active 24 hours a day. Thankfully, it is closed over the weekend, so we do get a weekend. But it's open 24 hours a day, which is different from stock markets. So stock markets are generally open sort of office hours, and those office hours are based on the local time of the exchange. So the London Stock Exchange will be open local hours in the UK, the New York Stock Exchange local hours in the US, and so forth. The Forex market is different though. You can access it 24 hours a day. So if you do have a full-time job, if you're a student, it doesn't really matter, because the Forex market's still open and still active on an evening, throughout the night, early hours of the morning. And that's one of the great things about the Forex market. There's lots of great things, That's one of the great things about Forex markets. There are some other things I can go through with you on this page. Forex is traded in pairs. So to trade a currency, you have to trade two currencies. And this is where it might get a bit complicated, but it's very simple once you get used to it. So a currency can only be valued by comparing to another currency. And it's the same with the stock market. If you want to know the price of Apple shares, it's going to be priced in US dollars. If you want to know the price of Tesco shares, it's going to be priced in pounds. And the Forex market is the same. So you want to know the current price of Australian dollars, you need to price that in US dollars or pounds or Canadian dollars. So Forex is always traded in pairs. And you can see on the screen here we have a number of acronyms for currencies. So we have the Australian dollar, US dollar. We have the Euro, Great British Pound, the Great British Pound, US dollar, and the US dollar, Japanese yen. So currencies are generally listed as acronyms, 3-letter acronyms, and are in pairs, such as Australian dollar, US dollar, Euro, Pound, Pound, US dollar, yen, and the list can go on. US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Euro, Pound, Euro, Australian dollar, Euro, Swiss franc. There are many, many pairs to trade and to watch. Forex is traded through a Forex broker. So just going back to the stock trader example, if you want to buy Apple shares, Tesco shares, you're going to need a broker, a stockbroker. The stockbroker has access to the market. You place your order with the broker and the broker executes that order on the market on your behalf, and you have an account with this broker and you fund the account and you can place trades and manage trades with the stockbroker. And it's the same with a Forex broker. So with a Forex broker, you're doing exactly the same thing. The broker is executing trades on your behalf. You can manage positions as well as many other things, but you're trading currencies. You're not trading stocks. Forex trading is free for beginners. Now this is another great thing about Forex trading is you can open a demo account with a Forex broker. It doesn't cost anything, usually doesn't cost anything. And if you want to learn the basics of Forex trading, it's for free. You know, you're watching this video at the moment, it's for free. And lots of material online that teaches the basics of Forex trading is for free. So it's great to get started. There's little to no cost involved. Obviously, if you want to learn more advanced things and once you start moving into wanting to trade live and progressing your trading, there are costs involved. But if you're new, it's absolutely for free. It can be a very cheap hobby, money-making hobby to start with. Forex trading can be the dream career. So going back to my slide over here, I've been trading since 2011. I get to work from home. I get to be my own boss. I get to make a great income, and I do all this from home. I have an office at home. I've left the office for work 2 times this year, and it's currently October. So I get to work from home, which is fantastic. I get to choose my own hours, but I think most importantly, it provides a significant income. And I think that's why a lot of people are attracted to Forex, is you can make a great income, a great living trading the Forex markets. Forex trading is exciting. Now, some people like to comment that I am not the most enthusiastic person, that my voice can be a bit dull sometimes. If it is, I do apologise. Please don't let that take away from how exciting Forex is and the opportunity Forex trading provides. It truly excites me, even after all these years. Forex trading is something I love. I don't think I would ever do anything different now. It's a career that I've come to truly love and commit to, and something that has ultimately changed my life. I earn more than ever. I get to work from home 24/7. I'm so much more flexible with my time. If I want to go for a jog, if I want to go and pick the kids up from school, I can do that. And there are many other things that make Forex trading exciting. It's quite fast paced at times, and it's something different every day. The markets are always a bit different. There's always news events going on around the world that impact the markets. So it's quite an interesting and exciting career to be in. I love it. If you have questions, I understand this is quite a short part one. If you have any questions about Forex trading or just trading in general, then feel free to drop me an email, info@love-the-pips.com. You can find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, I'm probably on it. If you go to my website, love-the-pips.com, you'll be able to find my social media accounts. So this is part one of this beginner's guide to Forex trading. Part 2 and part 3, there will be links below, perhaps to the side. If you're on my website, there should be a next button. So please carry on with this free tutorial. At the end of this guide, I will then provide another free guide that will teach you how to read price charts and how to start placing trades, analyze the markets, and those sort of things. So please stick with me. This is all for free. Feel free to check out my website, follow me on social media, and email me any questions you have. Thank you for watching.